The original street food festival tour is now entering its 9th season with 19 festival stops throughout Switzerland from March to September. This annual event is a celebration of culinary delights from all around the world where freshly prepared food is cooked in mobile kitchens and has now become an integral part of Swiss culinary culture. Having garnered an incredible 2.36 million visitors, this festival of culinary highlights is something you wouldn't want to miss.
That was so cool. We even got a lesson on how to peel potatoes quickly.
Et après tu la tournes dans tes mains. C'est ça.
Merci pour le cours.
Avec
Comment cuire la patate.
Avec plaisir. On cuit une petite portion et puis on vous fait goûter la patate de Jussie. Les frites de Jussie.
Merci.
Merci. Regarde.
Allez, ciao bello.
Non, regarde tous les yeux là. Wow, mais ça, tu vas servir ça là. Non.
So previously we came to Street Food Festival with Claire and Ian. She told me that the iced Greek coffee is really good. I've actually drank like most of it because while waiting in the queue it's so hot. And this is perfect. Mama Fe poulet chicken. It's kind of like a mix of herbs with chicken and with bread. So it looks really good. Bon appetit!